test is one piece of information. It is not always accurate. Children don't like to take tests. And many times they want to go play in the playground, or they want to be with their friends. They might have anxiety. If they're really little, they may not know how to use a computer, or if you're from a culture and a background where you haven't used a computer much, that's really common among English learners. You may not take the test correctly. Unfortunately, a lot of schools are now into what's called fidelity, which means that there are very strict conditions where you take the test. In other words, they don't want for you to retake the test, and they don't want for you to take the test in a different setting. Everybody has to take it together. Most of these tests are what we call secure now, which means that it's like an end of the year test, and what you get, you get. However, if your child is in trouble and you have other information that shows that maybe they're not, I would question that, and I would also ask the school if it is possible to retake the test. Some schools still allow that, but some schools don't. And the test is just one indicator. There should be at least, like I said, there should be multiple indicators before you do something drastic, like refer a child for special education. But unfortunately, states do have a lot of rules, and sometimes the rules say that this test is the only test that matters, which again is unfortunate. It's not fair to children.